Criminal Code of Cambodia, 2009. Chapter 2. Criminal Attempt and Conspiracy. Article 460, Criminal Attempt. The acts of committing one or several acts of violence with a view to endanger the institutions of the Kingdom of Cambodia or to undermine the integrity of the national territory constitute a criminal attempt. The criminal attempt is punishable by an imprisonment from 15 years to 30 years. Article 461, Aggravating circumstances with regard to offenders. The criminal attempt is punished to an imprisonment for life when it is committed by a civil servant. Article 462, Conspiracy. Any scheme set up between several persons to commit a criminal attempt, and this scheme was materialized by one or several concrete actions, constitutes a conspiracy. Conspiracy is punishable by an imprisonment from 5 years to 10 years. The offense is punishable by an imprisonment from 10 years to 20 years when it is committed by civil servants. Article 463, Exemption from penalty. Any person having participated in a conspiracy is exempted from penalty if, before any prosecution, he/she has revealed to the competent authorities the existence of the conspiracy and thereby permitting the identification of other participants. Article 464, Additional penalties, categories and duration. For the crimes laid out in the present chapter, the following additional penalties may be pronounced. 1. Deprivation of certain civil rights definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 2. Prohibition against pursuing a profession during which time the crime was committed in course of or during the occasion of pursuing of this profession definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 3. Prohibition against taking residency for a period of not more than 10 years for a felony or for a period of not more than 5 years for a misdemeanor. 5. For a convicted foreigner, prohibition against entering or taking residency in the Kingdom of Cambodia definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 6. Confiscation of any instruments, materials or any objects which have been used to commit the offense or were intended to commit the offense. 7. Confiscation of one or several vehicles belonging to the convicted person. 8. Prohibition against possessing or carrying weapon definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 9. Posting the decision of sentence for a period of not more than 2 months. 10. Publication of the decision of sentence in the newspapers. 11. Broadcasting the decision of sentence by all means of audiovisual communications for a period of not more than 8 days.